Hi guys, it's Snug, and today I'm going to be showing you all the Christmas decorations in my room. It's going to be crazy, so let's get to it right now. First thing that we have is some icicle lights, which leads us to the next thing, which is some purple, but it kind of looks like pink. And then over here, I have my Christmas tree. Oh, it's so cool. I decorated it with all my ornaments. Then down here I have snowmen that I made when I was a little older. Then watch how cute this is. Let me just twist it up real quick. Look how cute that is. Oh my god. This guy like spins and this guy like spins his tail. I'm like obsessed with it right now. Sorry that I hiccuped. I just have hiccups right now. Okay, peace out guys. See you next time.